Hey, what's up guys? DJ Joe Flow here. I'm going to show you how to do something real basic for EDM music production, and that's sidechain compression. So let's jump right into it. Right here I got a session open in Ableton, and I've got everything stock Ableton plugins and Ableton samples. So we got kick drum here, kick 909, and then I just got a real quick C minor chord right here. And then I just got a bass right here, just so I could show you guys what's going on. Alright, so first thing you're going to want to do, once you figured out what you want to sidechain, which for example is the chord and the bass, you got your kick drum pattern. So what you want to do is duplicate your kick drum pattern, option drag it. And let me open up something for you guys, make it a little easier to see what I'm doing. Let's see. Alright, so you're going to want to option drag it. You're going to want to mute that track. Let's name it Sidechain. Let's make it black so you know you're not using it. We're going to make this black as well. And then what you want to do is duplicate this MIDI all the way across your entire track. However long your track is, you're going to want to duplicate it all the way. So 5 minutes. Let's see, so I'm going to go back over here. Now I'm going to show you guys how it sounds. So we got the kick drum going. Now that's the chord. As you can tell, it's really in the way. So my tracks already have a compressor, but let's start with the fresh one. Put a compressor in there. What you want to do is open up the sidechain by clicking that little triangle, hit the sidechain button to activate it. And then what you want to do here is go audio from the sidechain channel that you just created. Now you're going to want to make sure that you have the dry wet to 100. Now let's go over to the ratio. To do sidechain compression, I suggest a ratio of 20 or more. So let's go to 25 for now. The attack is fine for now. It's just a real quick attack, 2 milliseconds. We'll do an auto on the release, so it could just automatically generate the release time of that kick that we have here. So next we got the threshold. The threshold is going to tell the compressor how much you want to compress. So how much are we going to duck the signal out? So let's check this out, and you'll start to hear the ducking. As I pull the threshold down, you'll hear the difference, and you'll see the amount of gain reduction here, this GR gain reduction. So let's check this out. Now you can start to hear it. It's pumping. That's sidechain compression for you. It's really exaggerated now. If you're gonna go that far, you want to add a little bit more gain. Now that's a very exaggerated sidechain effect. It'd probably be something around the 20s. Alright, so there you have it. That's how you sidechain compress in Ableton. And that is with the chord. Now if you wanted to sidechain compress the bass, since you've already got everything set up, I suggest copying over this plugin right here and just drag it over. Now there are different things that you're sidechaining. So this chord is not going to be the same. You're not going to sidechain it the same as you would the bass. This is just a great starting off point, a great jumping off point. So let's check out this bass now, and let's hear it with and without the sidechain. So here's without the sidechain. Now with. Without. I want to match this up a little bit. Alright guys, that's sidechain compression in Ableton. Thanks for watching. If you want me to do this video in any other DAW, like Pro Tools or Logic, just let me know. Thanks for watching.